All right, what's up guys? Today we are doing something a little more summery. We're gonna be doing a spritz. This one's called the Hugo Spritz. So let's just get into it. All right, so first thing we're gonna need is a wine glass, 15 mils of an Elderflower Liqueur in there, and then we'll put 5 to 6 mint leaves. We're gonna give that a small muddle, and then we're gonna put our ice in. We'll top it up with some Prosecco, about 100 mils, and then a little bit of soda, about 30 mils. That's all it is, guys. Very, very simple drink. Just a quick build. Elderflower, mint, Prosecco, and then some soda. Simple as that, right? It's kind of ideal for those summer months, which we're in basically, right? It's getting hot. This is a nice refresher. I used an Elderflower Liqueur that's made locally. The most common one that would be used is Saint Germain. Okay, you'll be able to see that everywhere. It's kind of like, it's known as the bartender's ketchup because it's everywhere, and you can always use it to make something good because elderflower is delicious. We all know this. Put it in everything. It's great, right? Especially during the summertime. The Hugo Spritz was actually created in 2005 by Roland Gruber in Naterno, Italy. Italy is known for its spritzes, so you'll be getting like Aperol Spritz, Campari Spritz, and then the Hugo Spritz, which is also becoming a fairly popular one, I would say. As far as the drink goes, guys, very light, right? Floral, minty. Honestly, I think for myself, I'd probably up the amount of liqueur, the Elderflower Liqueur, maybe go for a full 30 mils or an ounce. I just want to feel it more. That's all I have for you today, guys. Very simple, very quick, as always. The Hugo Spritz, it's summertime, get onto it. It's delicious. Let me know what you think in the comments, okay? If you do like what I do on this channel, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna have more videos every single week. But until next time, guys, keep stirring. Cheers.